About to make this video for everybody in Kenmore, Tonawanda, and Niagara Falls and all that stuff, so they didn't get nothing. About to show you. Peep this. Yeah, it's real out here for a tropical person. Peep the little path. It's crazy. About to go out in the street. The clouds ain't even seen yet. Hold on, dude. You're gonna get stuck, man. I can't help you. This the street. Not one plow coming down this street. Now, mind you, I'm gonna check it out. See where my feet are in it, up to my knees. And now I haven't even touched the deep part yet. Somebody already plowed this part with a snowblower. But if I go this way, it's up to my waist. It's up to my waist. And that's the street. I don't know what that is. That's probably from upstairs. Yeah, it's real out here. Ain't nobody going nowhere in Lackawanna. That's for sure. I know. Oh, look at that. Oh, man, I didn't even see that.
Holy crap.
That's like a drift about to fall.
Yo, we probably have to clean off the dish.
I already did. I already cleaned off the dish. I made sure I got TV. Yo, that joint about to fall. You see they dish? They ain't got no TV. But if you look behind it, at my dish, oh, it's clean. We got TV. They don't. And you can tell because they badass kids is going ham. But yeah, this is a little bit of Lackawanna right here. A little cul-de-sac that we live in. My girl's car is underneath there somewhere.